Today we're going to review action verbs. A verb names an action that someone or something does or did. A verb is found in the action part or predicate of a sentence. A verb that tells what happens now is a present tense verb. A verb that tells what happened before is a past tense verb. Let's look at these sentences below and notice the verbs in each sentence and decide whether they're present tense verbs or past tense verbs. The taxi driver honks the horn. That's happening in the present. That's a present tense verb, honks. Umbrellas protect us from rain. Protect is a present tense verb as well. Children waited in line to buy lunch. This happened before, so waited is a past tense verb. We watched the fireworks. Watch happened in the past, so it is a past tense verb.